I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing 3 seed keywords that match your blog's niche and audience. Don't overthink it. Open Google Trends, set the country and a 12-month range so you capture recent interest, then enter your first keyword. Once done, add up to 2 comparisons to spot relative demand. Make sure to switch between categories and web search versus YouTube to see intent differences. This first step gives you a short list of concrete topics that already show measurable search momentum. Now dive into patterns. Read the interest over time chart to find seasonality or sharp spikes that signal trending opportunities. Then scan related queries. Prioritize rising queries for fast wins and top queries for steady traffic. Make sure to filter by search type, web, image, news, or YouTube, because intent shifts how you write. Once you identify promising queries, export the CSV or copy the terms to a content sheet so you can build targeted titles and headings based on real user phrasing. Finally, convert insights into action. For each high-potential query, write a 1-page content brief that includes search intent, target keywords, suggested title, and internal link targets. Use rising queries for timely, short pieces and top queries to build pillar posts that attract steady traffic. Once drafted, optimize headings with the exact query phrasing. If you hit low data or noisy results, expand the time range, broaden the keyword, or switch to a larger geography. This usually reveals the signal you need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.